What is up, guys? Hello, YouTube. Reppy back here. Another horrible vlog video, kind of. But I do have something to show you guys tonight, at least. Something in mind. So, hopefully a little less ADHD tonight. Holy Christ, how you guys put up with that other fucking video, I don't know. I was all over the place. Anyway, something I've been kind of wanting to do on the channel a little bit. I'll get to in a second once I turn the radio off, because once again, forgot and mentioned my buddy's TV. I finally was not lazy and took it apart tonight. So, actually, close the door so maybe you can hear me. Oh yeah, check it out, calls. Two of them. Woo! Anyway, my buddy's TV, I want to like start doing, I mean, obviously bowling and the pin setters are going to be the main thing, but I like to fucking fix anything, especially electronics. So maybe I'll start showing a little bit more of that. If you guys want to see, I think that would be cool. Hopefully I can keep the ADHD kind of to a minimum. Because what it is I gotta explain this to you guys. You gotta realize, like, anyone who knows that I've been sick, I've literally, like, not existed for, like, 10 years. Just been under a rock. So, back in the day when I used to make videos, it was like this whole special thing, like I'd have a plan and say, alright, I'm gonna do, I don't know, I'm gonna do the rake on 11 today, whatever. Just as an example, or work on the lane machine, or do something with the scoring system, the desk computer, whatever. You know, and I'd bring my camera and kind of plan it. Well, now I have a usable phone, so I'm scatterbrained to begin with. And I could just like make a video whenever the hell I want, pretty much. So the scatterbraining has been strong, but we'll get things going here. I have some stuff, like I said, planned. Anyway, just a tip for you guys with these flat screen TVs. I at least got like a description of what this was doing and had an idea in my head, and it turned out to be correct. Any of you guys that are handy, like literally a multimeter, check me out. I always joke about my magnetic tool trays and all my fancy shit. I actually have a Fluke. I paid a whopping $55 for this used. It still came with the plastic on the screen, but it was used. Anyway, as long as you have a screwdriver, in this case, this was nice. It wasn't that stupid fucking torque shit. It's just a bunch of screws. That's all it was to get to this point. And basically, I'll explain how I came to my conclusion. But a lot of times, if you lose your backlight, okay, if you can still like see the screen and see that something's going on and it's just not lit up, or sometimes you have to get like a bright flashlight and shine it on your screen, and then you can kind of see it. A lot of times, all it is one of the LEDs in this grid. And I picked out, got lucky. It's up in the corner. It's that one. I picked it out just by sight. Because if you come in here and look really, really close and look at that one compared to that one, I don't know how well it's going to come out on the camera, but it's like, it's not coming out good at all. It's super dark. You can just see it. Also, I warn you, of course, be careful when you do this. If you don't know what you're doing with electronics, please don't do it. There's all stuff in the power supply. Capacitors can hold charge. They can kill you or really mess you up, zap the shit out of you if you don't discharge them, blah, blah, blah. I've dealt with electronics for 7 years as a mechanic, plus whatever I did before that. I know even how to work on CRTs, which I really want to do more of because I love those. But anyway, like with this, I haven't done it yet. The spots for it are really, really small. There was just one little screw here, and I could peel this back a little bit. If you look around the LED here, you see these two little spots? all I did with my multimeter, they don't read like a normal diode would, but when you put a multimeter in diode mode, it's actually sending out electricity. And you just switch the prongs around if you're the wrong way, because it'll only go through a diode in one direction. So I checked, started working my way in, just checked one to make sure, assuming it was good, and it was. What you'll do is when you get the correct voltage flowing the correct way, if you look really close, the LED will actually light up. It'll be really dim because it's only putting a very low voltage out, but it will light up. This one that I started with and tested lit up. The one next to it did not. Didn't matter how I put my leads on my multimeter, won't light up. So what you can do, because this is a very common problem, and this is usually what kills it. If one of these LEDs goes out, the whole backlight goes out. Because they're wired a specific way or something so they don't blow up. I don't know, whatever. All you have to do, it's not the greatest fix, you're going to have a little dark spot, but these two little spots here, I mean this one's fine, so it's going to be this one. Just solder a wire on it. Jump right over the LED. So you'll have a little bit of darkness there, but it saves you from buying a new TV. It's a common thing. My buddy mentioned the TV to me a long time ago, maybe a month ago, couple months, I don't know. And I said, just bring it in whenever, I'll take a look at it. Because he said it has sound and everything hitting it, and he could see it was just light that was out. So there's a soldering iron here, but the tip is kind of blunt, and those things are pretty small. So I'll probably bring my iron in from home tomorrow. It's a Weller. I have some different tips on it and such. And just solder a wire and see what we get. Hopefully it'll be fine. So that's just a tip for you. Pin spotter TV repair channel, apparently. But I love to tinker, so you know, and by him saying that he saw the sound was working, it's not a power supply issue. I checked it anyway because I was curious, and in standby I was getting 33 volts out of it, and when I turned it on, it boosted up to 40. So I was just curious what kind of voltage it ran on. But yeah, I'll hopefully have this done tomorrow. He's away, so it's like perfect timing. He said he'll just bring his TV in and leave it. And hopefully we'll get that done tomorrow. So that was cool. Something different. Machine-wise, you saw the... I gotta hold the camera where you can see. The two calls, a spinning ball, and oily pins piggybacking, 180. One over the top of the turret. Yeah, pretty quiet. Not really much in here. Not much going on. Haven't gotten to the rakes yet on 10 and 11. Like I said, they're okay. It's just probably a quick little minor thing. And get to those. I'm gonna check some of my other adjustments. I went through all of them, but that was also probably 15 years ago at this point or something like that. I'm gonna check all the up top, check my you can see C levers and shotgun, check my shock adjustment. I guess I could show you how I do that too. It's basically the rake in the dough procedure. Once you do it a few times and you really understand the whole daisy chain of how the rakes work and everything, they're pretty simple. It all does, it makes sense. So that's something that's upcoming, and yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to say hi and talk about the TV a little bit, because I do love electronics, right? I'm a nerd, I can't help it. And yeah. I think that's it. Another thing I noticed, like with the pins and stuff, like, I don't know why. These are regular amp lights, you know, not glow or anything. These stripes in the camera look so fucking orange, it's unreal. They are like a deep red, and they just, a triangle too. Anything with that red color, I don't know why. I mean, there's no flash on or anything, so it's kind of weird, but yeah, that's about it. Hello there. Hello there. Back home. So yeah, everything's cool. Not much new to report. Quiet on the western front here. So yeah, just gonna hopefully get the TV done tomorrow. Bring my iron in and check it out. Jump it with a wire, see what happens. That's usually all it takes to get it working again. It's much better than buying a whole new TV. And maybe I'll take a quick video of that. Oh, one more thing I got to show you. This is pretty cool. I'll go in the shop just to get away from the noise a little bit. I forgot. As much bouncing around as I did in that last video, and ADHD galore, it's in this one too, but not quite as bad. There was something I wanted to show you guys, and I totally forgot. I mentioned what a Zippo nerd I am. So I picked up 2 of these on eBay a long time ago, used, and I never showed you guys. Check this out. Wedgwood lanes, blah blah blah. I'm thinking, like, if I could find somebody, I'd like to get like a Slopes logo or something, even if it's just the lettering, just Slopes. Maybe like a metal plate. But this isn't the cool part. Check this shit out. Wow, it's even focusing for me. I saw it, I'm like, gotta have it. It's a little dinged up, but using it at work, I'm gonna drop it. It's part of the deal. I had to show you guys though. It was so fucking cool. I think they were like, excuse me. He was asking like 24 maybe or something, 22, like 11 bucks a piece. Because he had a bunch of them, so I'm like, you know what? If they're banged up, let me get 2 of them. I'll keep the better one and use the one that's a little worse off. So I offered him 15 and he took it. So totally forgot about this in my ramblings last time. I wanted to show you guys. I thought that was so cool. All right. Now we can end the ADHD now. Thanks again, guys, for everything. Hopefully I can like I said, I want to keep it mainly bowling and pin setters and pin spotters. If I can ever get around AMFs again, that would be cool too. I'd be down. Maybe some pro shop work and just like some other assorted repairs. I'll take a shot at anything. I'm fine with that. Try to figure out how it works. I like to think. I like that. It's like a puzzle. So yep. That's it for me. Rambling again. Thanks again as always, guys. You guys rock. And I'll catch you all soon. Later.